Good morning, children. So, today we are going to start our 17th lesson, that is skeleton, joints, and muscles. Children, this is skeletal system, and the red color one is muscular system. Okay. So, the frame of a body is made up of bones, and it is known as skeleton. Okay. So, bones of body helps in its movement, maintain shapes, and protect the various soft organs such as brain, heart, and lungs from various types of injuries. So, in this chapter, you are going to learn about various types of bones. Okay, and the movement our body movement with the help of bones. So children, you can imagine what is the role of bone in our body. Without bone will not able to stand, will not get shape also. So bone is very important. So let us study this in detail. See children, this is skull. The skull is made up of number of bones which are attached to each other. The skull is hollow from inside. The brain is protected in the cavity of the skull. So this is the skull. How it looks from the outside. The picture is in the left hand side. So skull is made up of number of bones and protect the soft organ, that is brain. Okay. Now the next one is rib cage, ribs. Okay, so this picture is a picture of ribs. So lungs and heart are situated in the chest, in the cage of bone, and this is the picture of that cage that helps them to keep protected. So the bone situated in the center at the front of the chest and is called sternum. Towards the back of the rib cage, there are bones connecting the sternum to the vertebrae. The ribs cover the chest on both right and left side. Okay, so this is rib. You can also see sternum. What is sternum? The bone which is situated in the center at the front of the chest, and it is called sternum. You can see in this picture. And towards the back of the rib cage, there are bones connecting to the sternum to the vertebrae, and the ribs cover the chest on both right and left side. Okay, so this is the diagram of ribs. Now our next topic is shoulder bone, that we called pectoral girdle. Okay, you can see yellow portion, that is shoulder bone. Okay, you can also see in your body that is two projecting bones below the shoulders that are called shoulder bone. We can also call as scapular bone, scapula. You can see that yellow portion, that is scapula, that are shoulder bones. The next topic is clavicle, the bone located in the upper part of the chest which stretches from the neck to the shoulder is called clavicle. You can see in this picture. Okay, so similarly try to find out the clavicle on your hand, shoulder. Scapula and clavicle together make up the pectoral girdle. Okay, bones of the upper arms on both the sides are joined to the pectoral girdle. You can see where is the scapula, that is shoulder bone, and clavicle, they both form pectoral girdle. Okay. Our next topic is hip bone, that we call pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle, you can see in this picture the red highlighted area. So two similar bones. These bones are the ends of much bigger girdle called the hip girdle bone or pelvic girdle. Each part of the pelvic bone is made up of three separate bones. You can see in this picture. The pelvic girdle is attached to the backbone and the thigh bone. Okay, so this bone is attached to the backbone also, and also the thigh bone. Okay children, so this is called pelvic girdle. Nextly we are going to learn about bones of hands. Okay, see, this is the bones of our hands. Okay children, there is a single bone from the shoulder to the elbow, two bones from the elbow to the wrist, and the hand is made up of many small and big bones that you can see in this picture. If you'll try to move your different arms and to move your different parts of your hand in different ways, you'll identify the various bones with the help of this picture also. Okay children, so this is the bone of our hand. Now this is the bones of our legs. Like hands, legs are also made up of many small and big bones. The uppermost is the thigh bone. Okay, and this is the longest and the strongest bone of our body. The longest bone in our body is thigh bone. There are two bones below the knee, you can see in this picture, and move the foot and toes and notice that they are made up of many small and big bones. Okay, this is the picture of human knee. Straighten your leg and hold the knee with your finger and move it. You can feel all everything, a cap shaped moving bone, and that is only the human knee. Children, our next topic is flexible bones, that we called cartilage. Okay, flexible bones are called cartilage. So feel the bone between your wrist and elbow by pressing it with your fingers. This is a hard bone. Now touch your ears and notice that how some parts of your ear are soft and others are hard. The soft part the soft part of your ear is made up of flexible bones and that are only called cartilage. Okay, so cartilage is also found in other parts of the body, including the vertebrae in the backbone and between the ribs and the chest bone. Okay, so what is cartilage? The soft bone which is present in our body. So children, I hope you understand all these different types of bones and cartilage. Next class we are going to learn about different types of joints found in our body. Till the time, thank you.